remember all them winters, drinking Woodford till we drowned. We get wind about a party, bundle up and go to town. Never worry about the police, never worried much at all. Those nights of reckless glory, I'd come back if you'd just call. 'Cause it's just 2 hours to get there, babe. I can make it back about an hour or so. Hold you close against my skin, need a little warmth on a night so cold. Singing songs you used to sing, the one about the lady in the long black veil. Should have seen the morning signs, but Lord, I love to hear you well. High and lonesome, hard and strong, even if it was a little out of tune. Hotter than socks on a Jersey giant, Lord, I thought you hung I left town when we were over, 'cause it didn't feel the same. Every back road had a memory, and every memory held your name. It's just 2 hours to get there, babe. I can make it back about an hour or so. Hold you close against my skin, need a little warmth on a night so cold. Singing songs you used to sing, the one about the lady in the long black veil. Should have seen the warning signs, but Lord, I love to hear you well. High and lonesome, hard and strong, even if it was a little out of tune. Hotter than socks on a Jersey giant, Lord, I thought you loved me.
Wow, we did it, guys. Now I want all the caps on.
United States of America. You want to brew up some liquor and drink it? Buy Moonshine still. Fragrances, spirits, moonshine, hash oil, distilled water, ethanol, gas. Make your own. Distillery Network. Make it!
Are you a casual prepper, hardcore, frugal guy, or just one who believes in doing things the old ways? And home distillation may be right for you. Why not own your own legal distillation unit? Make your own things and save a ton of money in the process. Essential oils, fruits and vitamin-infused waters, ethanol, your own meat marinades and sauces, and in an emergency, well, you'll never be without water again. Make your own pure, safe, clean distilled water from the Distillery Network at moonshinestills.com. Homeopathic medicines and homemade perfume recipes have been around for centuries, and they can be expensive, mainly because they work so well. Now imagine the thrill in your woman's eyes. You give her her own custom perfume made just for her. No more allergy scares, no crazy rashes. One-of-a-kind fragrances made by hand with all natural ingredients from the Distillery Network at moonshinestills.com. You know, in times of emergency, fuel can be a lifesaver. Your generator, the tracker, or the car, fueled by ethanol, made from your very own distillation unit from the Distillery Network at moonshinestills.com. Get your very own quality, top quality, American-made distillation still, handcrafted from 22-gauge, 20-ounce American copper, forged by American hands here in America, and delivered right to your door from the Distillery Network at moonshinestills.com. Get peace of mind right now with distillation equipment from the Distillery Network at moonshinestills.com.